The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now the first thing I want to say is big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Now I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video have me thinking. I saw and heard some things in this video that have me wondering if this video actually shows something that happened for real, or if this video shows something that is like an act or a publicity stunt, you see me? And if this video shows something that happened for real, then in my point of view, I think this video proves a point that there might be persons out there who need instructions on how to wear a mask properly. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that is going to show a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that employees at a store did not want to serve him because he was not wearing his mask properly. Viewers and subscribers, I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that you are about to hear in this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe with me.
Yeah, Trinidad and Tobago. I am in Unique's bookstore on Independence Square. Look at how my face is, right? And it's because I'm talking. You're seeing my thing, right? But watch out how I am. And these people and them telling me, I come in the bookstore and them telling me my mask not on properly. Now, if you realize, right, as I talking, you will see my nose there, right? But they tell me my mask not on properly, and they can't sell me, right? Well, you see the kind of shopping that's going on in this place. I waiting right here, you know, and them telling me that they can't sell me because my mask not on properly.
And I really love viewers and subscribers. This person's mask is not on properly, right? This person's mask is not covering his nose and mouth the proper way as to how them say a mask is supposed to cover your nose and your mouth, you see me? And that's just my point of view, and I don't mean any disrespect by it, you understand? You see me? But anyways, me could listen to some more of the things that this person had said in this video, alright? Let's observe a little bit more about this.
Watch out my mask on. Cover my mouth, cover my nose. Yeah, they're telling me my mask not on properly. What do you think about this? So I leave where I leave to come down here, Unique's bookstore, Independence Square, Port of Spain, and these people telling me that my mask not on properly. My mask not on properly. You understand what I'm saying? You see the kind of foolishness that's going on in Trinidad and Tobago with this thing? They saw my mask on, no? And simply because when I talking, all you see the talking, it kind of adjusting a little bit. I have on my mask and they tell me my mask not on properly. My mask had to be quite over my nose. They may know nothing about me, and if I claustrophobic, nothing at all. My mask not on properly. My mouth, it over my mouth, it over my nose. It's just because I talking, it coming down a little bit.
Now, you see the first thing we have to say right here, so you see, if I stretch the mask, stretch out, then I think that this person should get a new mask. You understand? And you know, me look at the video and me look at the way how the mask set on this person's face. You see, and in my point of view, I think the mask is under the person's chin, like up under here, so under the person's chin. So every time the person talk, it just and go like it pull off my mouth every time he talk. You understand what I said to you? You see me? I'm looking at the video now. I just want a good angle. Like if the person turns sideways, then we can get a good angle to see if, you know, if it's the under chin like so. You understand? That's what I pull off of the nose. I wonder if you understand what I mean, but you know, let's watch the video some more and see if we can get a better understanding, because in my point of view, I think the mask is too much under his chin, but make us see. Observe with me.
What are you calling this? What is this? Is this discrimination? Wait, they foolishness with these people. Them people trying to be too strict and try to control. We talking about my mask not on good. I not coming up in nobody's face and talking to nobody. This is the kind of stupidness what I'm creating in this country. Me ain't touching my mask, you know. Simply because I'm talking, you see it kind of riding down a little bit. Your mask has to be quite up over your nose and all them kind of stupidness. What kind of thing is that? So they're not selling me, Miss Lady? Eh, ma'am? Excuse me, you're not selling me? So isn't my mask fixed properly?
You saw me I talk about viewers and subscribers. You see the mask, the under the chin. So that's the reason why under the person's chin, under your son, in a grabbing neck, but under the person's chin. So that's the reason why the talk it pull off. Just as when me suspect. You understand me I say? So, you know, in my point of view, that's one of the reasons why I'm saying, that's one of the reasons why I think that there might be persons out there who might need instructions on how to wear a mask properly. You see me? Because within themselves and within their thinking, they think that they are wearing it properly. When, you know, who knows? You see me I say? But anyways, I could listen to the rest of this video and then, you know, me tell you what I think overall about this thing, alright? Alright, take a look and observe with me.
My mask properly just because I talk and a little bit to go right down a little bit. Excuse me, are you all selling me? Are you all selling me? Are you all selling me? Eh? But my mask is properly just because I talk and it roll down a little bit. I cannot fix my mask any further. My mask is over my nose. It's covering my nose already. I can't put it quite up by my eye. You behaving as I blowing some kind of thing through my nose or some kind of thing.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, if you listen the video properly, you will hear someone in the background of the video say something that gave me the understanding that that person in the background of the video is saying, just fix your mask. You see me? So it's like the person that said, fix your mask. I mean, the person in the background of the video might realize that this person is not wearing his mask properly. You see me I said to you? You see? And you see, you also have masks out there that, you know, some of these masks that are out there, you know, where you see persons selling and so forth, some of these masks don't make good too, you know. You see me? Yeah, me see some masks that make some ways where when you put it on your ears and put it around here, so when you put it on, it's like it not stop drop off of your ears. You see me? And some of them make like them too little bit, so it now get the full cover. Even when you put it on, it's like it too little bit, like it want more material for go this way. You see me? I say, so you have faulted masks out there as well. You see me? But in this video, I look at this video and I look at the mask on the person's face, and in my point of view, this person have the mask too much underneath his chin. You see me? I say, or maybe the mask had been designed to wear a specific way, so therefore the part that is supposed to be up, he probably turn it down instead. You understand? So you see me? And these are the things me I look at. You see me? So that's why I tell you, so when we look at this video, it have me thinking. You see me? I say, because at one point I'm saying to myself, you know what? I don't think that there's anyone out there who wouldn't, you know, who would not realize that a mask is supposed to be worn a certain way. But at the same time, I'm assuming, right? I'm assuming that that everybody understand how to wear a mask. When really and truly, when we think about it, I am wrong. I am wrong. I can't assume that everybody know how to wear a mask. You see me, I said to you? Yeah, you see me? And this video right about now really and truly proved that point to me. You see me, I say, and that is if this video actually shows us something that happened for real. You see me? And in my point of view, this seems to be something that happened for real, you see me? Yeah. The video they have me thinking. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, you see, because this video have me thinking, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to look at me and tell me what you think. Just tell me if you think this video have something that happened for real or not, and tell me what you think about this person wearing his mask the wrong way and so forth. You see me, I said to you, tell me what you think overall about the situation, and tell me what you think overall about this video that is out on social media. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, and I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.